In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade futures inside of Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would. Then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to this specific panel up here on the chart. And then from here, you'll need to select the specific future that you want to trade. And you'll be able to find the futures down here. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see under XCME, the futures tab. And then from here, you can choose all the specific futures that Quantower offers. From here, you'll just need to choose the specific one, double tap on it, and then from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to this right-hand corner and select this specific one out here. And then from here, you can choose the specific account that you want to add the specific future onto. You can add the time in force, the quantity, and you can also reduce if you want to do that. From here, you'll be able to add the brackets, which is either stop loss or take a profit that you can add here. You can also do trial stop if you want to do that by clicking SL. From here, you'll also be able to add a placing strategy where I can choose between all of these ones right here. And down here, you'll be able to click buy and sell. And you can choose the asking price where you'll directly buy. You can bid on the specific future, or you can use the MKT function. If you choose to sell, you'll simply need to do the exact same thing as you will be buying by clicking on these red dots over here. You can also close position down here. You can flatten it or reverse it if you want to do that by clicking right there. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!